What's up guys, today I want to talk about using NFTs as collateral. Let's get into it. In case you haven't heard yet, Abracadabra Money has a new feature coming out. Soon, the website will facilitate peer-to-peer loans without intermediation of a third party. This is a big deal in my opinion because the NFT industry has grown a lot in the last few months with billions of dollars being invested and so far locked in different NFTs on different chains. With more and more bridges being able to transfer NFTs across chain, I can only imagine how useful this will be. So, how does it work? At present, there are two types of peer-to-peer loans. Loans that use an oracle and loans that don't. The peer-to-peer loans that use an oracle only deal with ERC20 tokens. In this situation, an oracle is provided which allows the position to be liquidated if it defaults before the loan comes to an end or if the loan expires. Hey guys, smash that like button to support the channel so I can keep making these videos. And if you want to chat, join the MoreCoin Discord by clicking the link in the description below. It's a great place to talk to and learn from other crypto and DeFi enthusiasts, and best of all, it's free. Join the MoreCoin Discord today. Well, wait till after you finish the video. Okay, back to it. The peer-to-peer loans that don't use an oracle deal with ERC20 tokens and NFTs. In this situation, instead of liquidations, the collateral is transferred to the loaning party in case the loan is not repaid in time. For me, this opens a lot of opportunities that were closed off before. Now you can invest in a crypto pump and have access to the underlying liquidity instead of having it locked up. Let me know what strategies you guys might use down in the comments, or just drop into the Discord and let's chat there. Next, you should check out my video on Wonderland to learn what that project's all about. I'll see you guys in the next video, and we can keep talking about getting more coins.